Do you like to play with LOL surprise babies? Then today's life hack collection is for you. Let's give her a bath, make her some stylish glasses, cook in a mini LOL surprise kitchen, and make some funny pajamas. You'll learn all that and more in today's video. For the first life hack, take a box about this size. Take out anything inside. Cut off a little bit to make a door. Install plastic shelves inside. Insert transparent parts from a flashlight into the lower compartment. Glue a piece of pink paper over the opening of the box. This will be a display with temperature readings. Make a small hole in the back of the refrigerator. Insert an LED light bulb with batteries into it. Now your mini fridge will light up your mini world. Put some stickers on the fridge. As you can see, the refrigerator fits perfectly into the interior of the LOL Surprise Kitchen. And now you will need a half of an LOL Surprise capsule and a plastic hook from the sucker. Glue the hook inside the tub. Hot glue a black button and a white button for handles. Glue 2 pearl beads at the bottom of the bath. Glue the other side to the scrapbook paper. Insert 2 wooden sticks into the holes of the bath. Fasten another on top. Take a skein of turquoise thread and braid 2 pigtails. Iron them and unbraid them. Wavy curtains are ready! Hang them on the holder. The result is a cute bathtub for an LOL surprise baby. Now she can soak in the bath as she pleases. Next, you need a plastic pipette. Cut off the long tip. Now we have a small container. Cut off the bottom and cover the inside with white paint. Cover the other bottle with pink. Seal the bottoms with hot glue. Stick on the labels. Now your doll has a full set of hygiene products. They're so cute! For this idea, you will need an old towel. Cut out a small rectangle from it. Make the fitting. Remove the extra from one side. The result is a wave-like cut. Hot glue the top part. Cut out a beautiful fin at the end. It's almost ready. Decorate the tail with pearly semi-beads. Your LOL surprise doll is a real little mermaid now. And it is so nice to lie in your crib in such a cozy blanket. For the next LOL surprise craft, you will need multicolored beads, a piece of cardboard, and a wire. Cover the cardboard with colored paper. Apply a drop of glue to the edge and insert the end of the wire. String the beads on it. Bend a few arcs from the wire. Hot glue the remaining edge to the stand. Now a labyrinth game for your LOL baby is ready, and it only took a few minutes. Now she will have something to do while mommy is busy. We also have a task for this jar of chips. Cut off the bottom with a box cutter. Cut off the ring from the top. Take small wooden skewers and glue them around the perimeter of the lid. Attach the ring on top. Cover the sides with a transparent fabric. Decorate the top and the bottom with strips of shiny foam paper. Glue 4 beads instead of legs to the bottom. Fill the playpen with colorful balls. Your LOL baby is just delighted with it. Now she can have an extra hour in the ball pit. And now take 2 pom-poms and a decorative wire. Cut a small piece of the wire. Bend it and glue the pom-poms to both ends. Decorate it with hearts. Now your doll has glamorous warm headphones. They're definitely limited edition. For the next craft, take a piece of shiny foam paper. Cut out heart-shaped glasses like this. Make slits for eyes. Cut off 2 pieces from a clip and fasten them to the temples. Make the glass out of transparent plastic. Super trendy glasses for an LOL doll are ready. She can brag all she wants because she can't see the haters. And now you'll need a small, flat, square-shaped box. Cut it in half. Cut 2 holes in one of the halves. Make cuts in the middle and on the sides. Cover both holes with Scotch tape. Cover the side with a strip of scrapbook paper. Glue the half-bead handles to the doors. Make a 1-door locker from the second half. Next, take another box. Let's make a kitchen cabinet from one part of it. Fasten opening doors to it. Glue a layer of lilac cardboard on the other part. And a piece of white cardboard on top. Glue 2 gold-plated buttons to the front. They will be the switches. Attach black rivets to the white surface. They will be our burners. Place the cupboards on the piece of cardboard. Voila! A mini LOL kitchen is ready. It has everything you need. A cooker and spacious cupboards. You can cook something delicious. For the next LOL craft, you will need a mini popcorn cup template. Cut it out, bend it along the lines, and glue it together. Take real popcorn and break it into small pieces. Fill the cup with it. You can call friends to watch your favorite movie. Next, you need plastic straws. Insert a wire into one of the straws. Bend it like this. Do the same with the second straw. Cut the rest of the straws into equal pieces. Glue them to the bases. You made a comfortable chair. Make the second chair smaller. Now your little babies will have somewhere to hang out. For the next life hack, take a rectangular piece of white cardboard. Bend it in half. Attach beautiful beads instead of legs. Cut out 4 rectangles from foam paper. Cut a cover out of blue microfiber. Fold it in half and glue all the sides. Make 4 pieces. Put LOL on 2 pillows on top. Hot glue all the pillows to the sofa so they don't fall off. An LOL couch ready to serve to be sat on. Call all your friends. There's enough space for everyone if they're tiny. And now take a piece of cloth with double-sided sequins. Fold it face down. Stitch it, leaving one side untouched. Turn it inside out. Fill it with padding polyester. Sew the remaining side. You made a very soft and cozy cushion. Put a sticker on it. Make the second pillow smaller. They shine and shimmer so bright that you just cannot take your eyes off them. A great addition to your favorite sofa. For the next life hack, you need a wire and a bit of pink polka dot fabric. Fold the fabric face down and sew it along the edge. Use a wooden stick to turn it inside out. Insert a piece of wire inside. Hot glue the remaining end. You have a flexible ribbon. Your LOL baby now has a new fashion accessory. Such a head accessory is suitable for both gatherings at home and for walks with girlfriends. Next, take a piece of microfiber fabric. Cut out pieces like this. Stitch the first one. Then turn it inside out. Fasten the Velcro to the edges. Now you can open and close it. Next, sew 3 parts of the hood together. Stitch it to the pajamas. Glue funny ears made out of white foam paper on top and a funny tail made out of a pom-pom behind. Now your LOL doll has a fashionable Kigurumi. It is so comfortable and warm. Sweet dreams, baby! Did you like our LOL crafts? Let us know which ones you'll try. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Many more interesting ideas for creativity and games are coming!